Hey YouTube, in today's video I'll show you how you can open multiple Discord windows. So to start off, go to your start menu and type in %local app data % altogether and press enter. Then scroll to the Discord folder, open it, then open the app folder, most recent one, and over to Discord exe, right click, go to send to and select desktop. Then right click on this icon, select properties, and right where you have target, make sure you head over to the last word, which is discord.exe, press space, and then type in 2 hyphens, the word multi, 1 more hyphen, and type in instance. So after discord.exe, you should have a space, 2 hyphens, the word multi, 1 more hyphen, and then the word instance. Click OK. Then open Discord. It should open my main account. There you have it. And if I open it again, it will start a new window. And you can enter the second account. Hold on. There we go. 2 accounts, 2 separate windows. And if I open it again, it will open another window, another account. And you can do this as many times as you want. So if I close, and yeah, that's how you do it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you have any questions or if you have any problems, let me know in the comment section. I'll happily help you out. For more videos, make sure to subscribe. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Cheers.